guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is a G update. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys a step-by-step guide on how to participate in the Nexus Testnet campaign to stay positioned for some potential reward. So guys, their project went live yesterday, and this first campaign is only going to last for 3 days. So for those of you that want to participate in it, it is also an incentivized testnet campaign for you to gain some reward at the end. So please make sure to participate in it. So this first campaign is not stressful. So Nexus is the supercomputer for everyone, powering the world's most complex computation to build the verifiable internet. Okay, so for you to get started, this is what you need to do. I'm going to drop all the necessary information at the description of this video and in my Telegram group. So make sure to join my Telegram group for quick information, especially there's going to be a new campaign on Nexus aside this. Alright guys, so after clicking on the link, what you just need to do is to click on launch network. Alright, so click on launch network, then it's going to bring you here. So you can set it on desktop site if you want. You can set it on normal mode like this without setting it on desktop side, but I prefer setting mine on desktop side since I'm not using a PC. So if you want to earn massively from this project, you need a PC. You need to leave your PC on 24 hours for these 3 days. So you need to leave your PC on, and if your phone is okay to use, you can use your mobile phone. Like now I'm using my mobile phone. And if you use your mobile device, I will advise you to use an extension, be it Mrs. Browser or Kiwi Browser. So copy the link, take it to Mrs. Browser, then paste it, then you're good to go. So now what you just need to do first is to copy this. Alright, so I'm just going to remove it from desktop site. Now you see it. Right, so if you click here, what you need to do first is to copy this ID. It's very important. So I don't know the importance of it yet, but please just make sure to copy it and paste it somewhere. So now what you need to do is to click on profile. After clicking on profile, please make sure to put down a valid email. So setting your email will let you restore your providing history on other machine or browser in the future. Then you click on get updates to be up to date, or you can join my Telegram group to be up to date on this project. Then you click on save. So after you click on save, they are going to send you a verification link to your email. What you just need to do is to copy the link, take it back to the browser you are using, paste it, then you're good to go. So after that, what you just need to do is to just click on connect. So you can see connect, then you just leave it like this. So if you set it on desktop site, which I prefer setting it on desktop site, you just need to click connect. So just click connect. In time, this will start to load. This is just what you need to know at the time of making this video. So for you to know your point, so yeah, let me just, so for you to know your point, let me just visit my main account. All right, so this is my main account on this project to show you guys. So like I said, if you want to get massive points, I prefer you use your PC, because PC is better to use than this. So click connect, click here, click profile. All right, so you can see your Nexus points here. So this is my point so far on this project. So for now, this is just what you need to do. So you see it is reading, you just start to read, then you just leave it like this and go and perform your normal activity. If you visit it, make sure it is still working. So this is what you need to do. If you are using your PC, just set it and leave it and perform other activities. So it will continue to mine for you. So this campaign is going to end in 3 days. I'm going to keep you guys updated. So join my Telegram group to be up to date on this project. So guys, I would love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and minimal grains to your wallet.